All right, agents, listen up. This is your official mission briefing. Today, you choose your mission. You decide how you're going to defend the digital world. Let's get straight to it.
Okay, looks like your authentication is cleared. Good. What you're about to see is strictly classified, for your eyes only. Seriously, the choice you make in the next few minutes is going to define your entire operation, so you'll want to pay very close attention.
Here's the rundown for today's briefing. We'll cover your main objective, then we'll look at the standard and advanced missions you can choose from. And finally, we'll touch on something we call the Elite Protocol before giving you your final orders. Let's get moving.
Okay, Section 1, the Classified Mission Briefing. Let's talk about your primary objective. Welcome, officially, to the Digital Defense Force. We need your skills, agents. This assignment is critical, and it's going to test everything: your design sense, your logic, and of course, your coding.
So, what is your objective? It's pretty straightforward, but listen closely. You are going to design and code your very own Digital Defender arcade game using MakeCode Arcade. Now, this isn't just about making something fun to play. No, your game has a deeper purpose. It has to teach a real cybersecurity concept, and it has to do it through the gameplay itself. The main thing the player does again and again.
Now let's declassify a really important protocol right now. This is key. We call it code retrieval. And what it means is this. This is not a memory test. You are fully authorized. In fact, we expect you to open up the tutorials you've already done and reuse those code blocks. Your job is to be smart, to adapt the code, not to memorize it from scratch. Got it?
Okay, let's get into the missions themselves. Section 2 covers the standard operations. Think of these as the foundational defense protocols. They're your entry point into the field.
All right, pulling up the first dossier now. Stand by. Here it is. Mission 1, Inbox Inspector.
Okay, let's break down this intel. The code name is the Safety Net, which tells you a lot. The genre is a collector game, and the difficulty? Low. This is your starting point. The cyber metaphor here is super clear. You're catching good, safe emails. We'll use clovers for those. And you're actively avoiding dangerous phishing links, which will be the bees. The core mechanics? You're looking at spawning and overlaps. Basically, making things appear and knowing when they touch. You'll pull all that code directly from the Clover Catch tutorial.
So, who is this mission for? Well, this is my recommendation for any agent who maybe finds the coding a little tricky, or for those of you who want to pour all your energy into the creative side. The art, the design, the story. It's called the Safety Net for a reason. It secures you a successful mission.
All right, next dossier on deck. Loading. Mission 2, Password Runner.
This one's codenamed the Decryptor. It's a chaser game, so the difficulty is bumped up to medium. The metaphor is really cool here. You are the data, and you are running from a hacker who's trying to steal you. That countdown timer ticking away, that's your encryption strength. When it hits 0, you're toast. For this, you'll be grabbing the code for enemy AI, making that hacker follow you, and the timer mechanics, all from the chasing game tutorial.
So, if you're the kind of agent who loves that thrill of the chase, that survival gameplay, this one is for you. It's a great way to really get your head around making smart enemies and working with timers. A really solid choice if you're up for a bit of a challenge.
Okay, agents, time to level up. We're now entering Section 3, Advanced Operations. These are high-stakes engagements, designed for agents who are looking for a real challenge.
Accessing Dossier 3. This is a high-intensity one, folks. Get ready for Virus Blaster.
Codename The Gatekeeper. This is your classic arcade shooter with a difficulty of medium-high. The metaphor? You are a firewall. You're the gatekeeper, standing your ground and blasting away waves of incoming malware. It's a great way to show how active defense works. You'll be mastering projectiles. That's the stuff you shoot. And even dipping into memory management to handle all those enemies without making your game lag. All the code you need for this one comes from the Galaxy Shooter tutorial.
Basically, if you're an agent who prefers direct action, less running, more shooting, this is your mission. You'll learn how to code enemy waves, and you'll get a handle on keeping your game running fast and smooth. It's a fantastic choice for action fans.
We've got one dossier left, and this one is for our most ambitious agents. Loading intel for Mission 4, Packet Path.
The codename says it all, the Architect. And trust me, it's earned. This is a high-difficulty mission, a maze or a platformer. Your cyber metaphor is that you're a single data packet trying to find its way through a complex network. And the walls of your maze? Those are firewalls, represented as binary ones, blocking your path. The core mechanic here is a big one. Tile maps. This lets you literally paint your own levels, giving you total control to build complex, sprawling worlds.
Let me be absolutely clear. This is not for the faint of heart. This is a high-difficulty assignment. You should only choose this mission if you want to be a true architect. If you're excited by the idea of designing every single block of a complex digital world, then this is the challenge you've been looking for.
And that brings us to our final section. For those of you who always go above and beyond the standard briefing, we have something called the Elite Protocol.
So the question is, are you ready for Elite Protocol? Now, this isn't an official mission option you can pick today. Think of it as an extra challenge, an extension task for those agents who finish their primary mission early and want to really show off what they can do.
So what is the Elite Protocol? It's all about combining the skills you've learned. Imagine this. You build a complex maze from Mission 4. Then, you add a chasing hacker from Mission 2 that hunts you through those corridors. And while all that's happening, you have to collect key items using the mechanic from Mission 1. See? You're taking parts from different missions to build something totally new and way more complex.
And that's it. Briefing concluded. Agents, here are your final orders, effective immediately. Step 1. Open your assessment portfolio. Step 2. Navigate to Section 1, the game design document. Step 3. Make your choice. Select your mission.
Don't take this lightly. The choice you make right now determines the code you'll be working with, the skills you'll develop, and the kind of defender you'll become. Choose wisely, agents. Good luck. Transmission out.